In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop auto-reply in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where automatic replies are no longer necessary or becoming a bit of a nuisance, you're in the right place. Whether it's after returning from vacation or because you simply need to take control over your email situation, turning off the auto-reply feature in Gmail is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through this together. First, we need to ensure you're logged into your Gmail account. Open up your web browser and head over to Gmail's website. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Gmail dashboard, where you can see all your emails lined up neatly in your inbox. From here, we want to head to the settings. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings button. Give it a click. After clicking on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll notice the option labeled See All Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the full settings page, where you can manage your email preferences in detail. Now, from the settings menu, look for the tab that says General. It's usually the first tab on the left and should already be opened by default when you access the full settings, but double-check to make sure you're in the right spot. Now, scroll through the options until you find the section titled Vacation Responder. This section is where you'll have set up your auto-reply message previously. Here, you'll see two radio buttons. One is likely checked already, indicating that the vacation responder is on. What we want to do now is simply switch it off. To do this, select the radio button that says Vacation Responder Off. Before we leave this page, ensure any other settings or customizations you've made on this page are still intact. It's important to note that this action will stop any automated reply messages from being sent out. If you had specific parameters set like an end date, you might see those as well. But once you switch the responder to off, Gmail will automatically stop sending replies regardless of those past settings. With your vacation responder now switched off, it's time to save this change. Move your cursor to the bottom of the settings page and locate the Save Changes button. Click on it. And there you go. Your auto-reply function in Gmail is officially turned off. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you need to reactivate your auto-reply in the future or make further adjustments. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and gives you peace of mind knowing you have control over your email responses. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.